The Hurricane originated, surprisingly, at an Irish-themed bar named Pat O'Brien's in New Orleans. It was created out of necessity during the 1940s when whiskey was in short supply due to the war. Rum was in abundance, and some suppliers would only sell cases of whiskey if it was accompanied by 2 cases of rum. This meant that bars had plenty of rum on hand, which forced them to get creative, and so the Hurricane was born. This drink is a large, boozy 3-ingredient cocktail consisting of dark Jamaican rum, fresh lemon juice, and passionfruit syrup. What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender, and this is the Hurricane cocktail, and it's in Steve the Bartender's book. And if you're new to the channel, we're making every single cocktail in here. So we're gonna flash blend this in my handy little blender here. And into our blender, we're gonna go 4 ounces of a dark Jamaican rum. So there we go, 4 ounces. We're then gonna go 2 full ounces of passionfruit syrup. And eventually, after an entire lemon, we've got 2 ounces of lemon juice. You're gonna add some pebble ice or crushed ice to your blender. We're just gonna give this a quick blend for a couple of seconds. Dump this straight into a Hurricane glass or a large vessel glass like I've got here. Add more crushed ice if needed and a lemon wheel for the garnish. And there you go, folks. This is the Hurricane. Let's give it a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. Oh, it's strong, it's boozy, really passion fruity, really delicious little drink that's very surprising, 3 ingredients. But that is a banger of a drink. 4 ounces of rum too. This will get you hectic. See you on the next one, folks. The Hurricane.